Today we are going to cook spicy ramen noodle soup with homemade chili oil and homemade sesame paste. If you like to cook Thai or Asian food, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Like that, you'll never miss a recipe. First, I will start to make tahini. This is sesame seeds paste. To do so, let's start roasting the sesame seeds in a pan on low heat until all the seeds change to a nice yellow golden color. Then bring the seeds into a blender and blend until all the seeds are smooth. Make it as smooth as you can. Try to make it look like this. After that, add sesame oil. For a better smell, use the 100 sesame oil. Now, blend to mix again. Pour the paste into a clean and dry jar. If you keep it in the fridge, this paste can keep for a while. Now let's make the flavor base for the ramen soup. In a small bowl, add tsuyu, a Japanese seasoned soy sauce with soy sauce, sake, mirin, and together with more ingredients that give us umami, sweetness, and savory in the dish. Then add the sesame seeds paste. Now comes the spicy chili oil. This is a homemade one, much better than the one you would buy at the store. Tasty and a wonderful smell. As a Christmas and New Year gift, I'm happy to put both my ramen and my chili oil recipes to download as PDFs for free on my Patreon page. Check the link in the description. And if you would like me to make a separate video for the chili oil, let me know in the comments. Now mix everything well together and set it aside. After the sauce, we are going to make the soup. Pour 1 cup of water into a pot. Then add 2 cups of soy milk. Make sure you buy the unsweetened one. This soy milk is going to add a smooth and light creamy texture to the soup. So good! Then add some chicken powder for more flavor. Now bring the soup to simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. During that time, we are going to stir fry the meat, but we also need garlic. So let's smash the garlic for about 4 to 5 cloves and peel it. Then just finely chop it. Do the same with the ginger. After that, in a pan on medium heat, add chili oil for about 3 tablespoons. Then add chopped garlic and ginger to stir fry for a minute. Add chili bean paste made of Thai red curry paste and tau jiao or soybean paste. It's a spicy and savory substitute from tu ban chang, Chinese chili bean paste. Add oyster sauce for more flavor. Then stir fry everything all together for about 2 minutes. After that, add ground pork or beef or chicken. Stir to break the meat. Don't let it stick together and become a big chunk. Then let it cook in the sauce for about 5 to 7 minutes on low to medium heat. During that time, let's prepare the veggies. Start with baby bok choy. Cut to remove the bottom part to separate the leaves. Then cut the small middle one in half. Wash it well with a lot of water. Then drain it and set it aside. Do the same with green onion and bean sprout. Back to check if the meat is fully cooked. It is, so we are ready for the next step. In a pot of boiling water, add some salt. Put the bok choy to blanch for a few seconds. Then remove it from the water. Drain and set it aside. Next, bean sprout. Blanching same as for bok choy. Drain and set aside. Now add the noodles into the boiling water. Then use chopsticks to separate them. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. In the meantime, add the sauce base in a serving bowl and pour the soy milk soup just over half of the bowl. Now bring the cooked and drained noodles into the bowl. Mix the noodles with the soup. Then top the ramen with some bok choy and bean sprouts. Add a lot of stir-fried ground pork with garlic and ginger. And don't forget to add some chopped green onion as well. You can optionally add some sesame seeds on top too. Look at the soup. The spicy red oil that comes out from the pot is so beautiful. Spicy, creamy, and savory all is there in this ramen soup. This ramen noodles is not crazy spicy, it's delicious spicy. If you guys want to see more noodles recipe, go check this playlist. There is many dishes waiting for you. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and chop that like button. By the way, if you like to support my work, you can go check on my Patreon page. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next time. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย